Hi class! Today we are making Taiwanese fried sweet potato balls. They are among one of the popular snacks often found at Taiwanese night markets and street vendors. These cute little balls are crispy on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside. You are in for a treat. Here are the ingredients. First, you will need about 2 to 3 orange sweet potatoes. Magically peel them and cut them into slices, as I have done here. Add 1 cup of water in an Instant Pot and place the bowl inside. We will cook these in an Instant Pot for 12 minutes. While that is cooking, we will prep the dough for the purple sweet potato balls first. In a mixing bowl, add 100 grams of sweet potato starch, 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch, and 4 tablespoons of monkfruit sweetener or sugar. Add a 1/4 cup of purple sweet potato powder and 1/2 cup of water. I'm using purple sweet potato powder because I couldn't find the fresh ones, but you can also use fresh purple sweet potatoes if you have them. Just remember to omit the water if you use fresh potatoes. Mix everything together evenly and your dough should come together into like the texture of Play-Doh. If it is too dry, add more water, or if it's too wet, add more sweet potato starch. Cover the dough with plastic wrap to keep it from drying out. Set it aside while we make the orange sweet potato dough. In a mixing bowl, again, add 100 grams of sweet potato starch, 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch, and 4 tablespoons of monkfruit sweetener or sugar. I usually substitute all sugar with monkfruit sweeteners for most recipes I make. Mix everything together evenly and then grab the sweet potatoes we steamed in the Instant Pot earlier. Use a masher and mash the sweet potatoes. Add the mashed sweet potatoes into the starch mixture and mix with the spatula. Mix evenly until a dough is formed. Again, the dough should be like a smooth and soft Play-Doh. If the mixture is too dry, then add more water, or if it's too wet, add more sweet potato starch. Once the dough is not sticky to the touch, take it out and knead it on a kneading board. Roll the dough into a long log shape about 1 to 1.5 inches wide and cut into 1 to 1.5 inches sections. Take each little section and roll them in between your palms to form a ball. Continue to roll the rest of the dough sections into round balls. Then do the same thing with the purple sweet potato dough as well. Here's an example of how not to store the balls before frying. The balls will stick together if you keep them together like I did, so make sure you keep each ball separate with some space between and on a tray with wax paper or parchment paper. In a large frying pan or a wok, add about 4 cups of vegetable oil. I am using avocado oil. The key to successful sweet potato balls is temperature control. Heat the oil on medium heat. You want to put the balls in the oil before it gets really hot, so when it gets to about 260 degrees Fahrenheit, you can start adding the balls. Another tip after placing the balls in the oil is to not move it for about 15 seconds. This is to help the dough balls take shape and hold their shape. If you mess with them too early, the balls will not form their nice, plump ball shape. Once the 15 seconds is up, you can start moving the balls around. If they get stuck together, simply pull them apart one by one. Then use a large skimmer strainer ladle and gently press down on the balls. You can do a test one by pressing one ball first. If the dough is ready, then the ball will bounce back into a round shape instead of staying flat. Press down gently on the dough balls and watch them slowly get bigger and plumper. Once they are golden brown, crispy, and the balls have almost doubled in size, they are ready to be taken out. Have a plate lined with paper towel ready and remove the balls from the oil. These amazing sweet potato balls are ready to be served. Eat them while they're hot, and you can also store extra ones in the fridge and reheat them later in an air fryer. They are best served with some Taiwanese salted plum powder, which provides a sweet, salty, and tart flavor to complement perfectly with the sweet, crispy, and chewy balls. I hope you enjoyed this unique Taiwanese night market snack. I'll see you next time.